Well, itong SEA Games natin na ito, kakaiba to. So, aside from being the largest delegation in the history of Philippine sports, napaka-prepared po ng Philippine team. Kita nyo, apparels pa lang natin, we identify ourselves as a tourism area. We have a wonderful setup. Shoes natin, makabayan na makabayan. We have our wonderful pins, no, na pinag-aagawan. Even our jackets, lahat po ng nakakasalubong natin, left and right, hinihingi po sa atin to jackets. And of course, we are the top tier country competing in the SEA Games. So inaasahan po ng lahat na magandang-maganda ang papakita ng mga Filipino athletes natin. With the recent success of the FIVB Men's World Championship, nakita natin, we have showcased na the Filipino volleyball has talent, and in a world stage, kaya po natin mag-compete with the top level countries. And of course, our fan base with the volleyball, napakalaki, masayang-masaya, energetic, electrifying. With Alex Ayala, the new face of Philippine sports, especially with the women's, kakaiba po. And kita natin, not only in the Philippines, world-class, world stage, world-renowned Alex Ayala, Philippine tennis. Definitely, magdi-deliver po yung ating mga Olympians. Andiyan po sila Yumir, sila Neshti, sila Hergy. Naasahan po natin, lahat po yan will be on their A-game. Bibigay po ng additional gold medals for the Philippines. And they're also motivated to do another Olympics in LA. So, foresight, gold medal haul, andyan po yan from our Olympians. Para sa mga atleta natin, kami po ay nagdarasal at kami po ay patuloy na magbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa inyo. We will cheer for you. Ipaglaban natin ang ating lahi, ipaglaban natin ang ating bandila para sa bayan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, Philippine athletes. Also for our millions of fans, Filipino, watching the Southeast Asian Games. Please pray for our athletes. Please pray for our delegation, for safety, for also success and victory, not only for these Filipino athletes, but also for all the Filipino worldwide. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.